Hey y'all, T-Ham141 here. We're gonna try, we've got 2 meat chickens that survived shipment and they are well overdue to being butchered. We moved them up here on the homestead, up on the land with the rest of the chicken, and they're starting to get bullied pretty bad. Even the rooster's getting in on it now. So we're gonna go ahead and butcher them today. We got our water boiling, but we're gonna try even canning it with a pressure canner over an open fire. Hopefully that works good. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're just getting ready to go, and we'll be back. All right. Easy, buddy. Easy, easy, easy. I gotta grab your hands. Stop it. Easy now. Relaxed. We want to be relaxed. Boy. A little bigger.
We got blood on you, George.
Probably from where they've been petting him. I know, this is weird, huh? No. Let go. Let the bag. Hold the bag.
Okay, look.
There. Okay. This is the worst part of having animals. This is the worst part, the part I hate most about this whole deal. But it's got to be done to fulfill this purpose. We got a feed sack around him so that he can't bruise himself all up. I've had turkeys that bruise themselves up from flapping around. That was the quickest way, painless, most painless way to do this. You know when you feel the body relax.
It's been relaxed. And that's all it was nerves.
Yeah.
Normal.
He lived a good life with us from the time he was a chick. He lived way longer than he was meant to. They're only supposed to live at max 8 weeks. He lived 3 months instead of the 2. One thing we forgot to do is not feed them today, because they were right in with our other chickens. But this water is between 180 and 195 degrees. And we're just gonna, we don't want to leave him in too long because he'll scald. He'll start cooking. We don't want to cook him. Huh? It's just the wet chicken you're smelling.
I know, but my stomach's not the greatest today, and it's not helping.
Okay, you
I'll hold the bag.
Alright, and now I'm hoping the feathers just wipe right off. Alright, and that is one meat chicken butchered, well, not butchered, but killed and plucked. Alright, we're back, and wow, this table's a little high. Anyway, we're back. We're going to go ahead and start gutting. I don't know if there's any special order. This is how I do it. Find the joint and just take a real sharp knife and your assistant, your lovely assistant, will throw them away for you. Basic. Boy, she had water on the joints. Or he did. This was big. Okay. Now, when we're going to cut these up and can them, so there will be another level of cleaning, just because we were in the middle of the woods, and well, not in the middle of the woods, we were just off site, but we missed some feathers. Now this should be interesting because we fed them this morning. Well, we fed the rest of the chickens, and well, they ate. I forgot to separate them from the food, or the food from them, and well, this is what you get, is what we're going to run into here. Alright, first, this is a fatty layer that you can leave on or take off here. I'm just going to gently try to cut through that fatty layer. Should be a good fat chicken. I'm going to cut around the neck. Oh, I got the gizzard. Yay. Think there's some corn in there. And that's why you don't feed them for 24 hours before you do this. Alright. Now I have to get in here. But I did not want to get that gizzard. There's that pocket right there. That's what I wanted to do with that. I just separate it right along with the neck, because this time we're not keeping the neck and stuff. Okay. Alright. Now I got that kind of separate. I'm going to flip her around here. And look at that. That worked lovely. Okay, now I'm going to you can
That's what you don't want to do.
well, that wasn't nothing I could do about that. That was just pressing on it. Can you spread the legs?
Not really.
Did I mention I don't know what I'm doing on this part? Okay, easy. This is not a roasting chicken anyway.
Clean that knife off.
I will as soon as I'm done with this. Okay. Now, the awful stuff should just come right out. Bull. And we're not keeping any of the inside stuff. Okay, you want to take this and clean it off for me? At the house we have a hose going, but we don't have a hose here. Could have set one up. Thank you. Okay, I need you to grab it and hold it somewhere. Easy way to skin it up. There. We're not keeping it? Okay, now down here along the back are the lungs. It's a pink tissue. I just slice it several times along there and pull it right out of the backbone. It goes right through the backbone, or right along the rib cage, along either side of the backbone. At least we know I can butchering a chicken, huh? I'm just going to clean it up a little bit more. I got another one to do. And then we will get you back for the canning. Alright, and this is our first time ever trying to can on an open fire. Right now we've got to let steam come out of the top for 10 minutes. And then we will put the little disc here on 10, and it should go for 90 minutes. We have 4 jars of chicken in there, and I'm hoping everything works out. We'll be able to move it over to the side, I'm hoping, when we need to control the amount of heat. Let's see. We put the cans in. Beautiful sunset. Not quite red yet, not quite sunset yet either.